Yun nga yung sinabi ko kanina, it just really feels, treatments, what they do yung sa mga microdermabrasion, hindi lang talaga dead skin cells yung natatagal, pati yung outer layer ng skin. And I was saying nga kanina with him na, ang problem naman with people who does that is, eventually, ang concern nila yung mga age spots. Kasi, parang yung madalas nagpapadiamond peeling, manipis yung skin, yun yung concern nila. Kasi mas exposed sila sa sun, kaya may mga spots, mga freckles na tinatawag, so diamond peeling, etc. Also, are you familiar with, meron kasi kaming client din, she had actually yung same concern with, yung tira from pimples, yung medyo uneven yung skin surface, yung parang may later. We have one client, nagpa-coat siya for laser treatment. Tapos, dun sa quote ng laser treatment, parang sabi sa kanya, 60,000 daw for the parang 6 month, madaming sessions siya eh. Pero, apart from that, she also has to buy gamot for parang mas ma-enhance yung feeling. Pero what it does pala, yung laser, ang ginagawa nila para pumantay, tinatanggal lang nila yung outer layer ng skin. Parang excessive feeling, para matanggal yung outer layer, para medyo pumantay. That's what it does. So parang what you did was paid someone to peel off your skin lang talaga. Ang galvanic kasi, yung age-lock na technology talaga, it really helps your cells repair para it comes from within, hindi yung na babanatin mo or tatanggalin mo yung So yun yung sa laser. That's what else? In Botox, we talked about that kanina. Radio frequency. Meron ba dito yung matanda yung mga tummy, tummy taps, yung mga ganon. Those treatments, sige, ipo-forward ko na lang ha. Ang microdermabrasion, all of those, yung Botox, etc., collagen injection, surgical facelift, actually, yung sa hindi pa rin surgical eh. So, ang cost niya talaga is mga 2,000 to 10,000. Mga nagpapadiamond peel, mga magkano yung mga ganun, diba? Tapos, yun nga, it's not forever, it's The galvanic treatments, what you tried kanina, what Nicole Kidman's using, Kate Moss is using, ang sessions niya talaga, nasa mga 450 pesos lang. Actually, if you have your own unit ng galvanic kasi you get the products at a much lesser price pa. So, parang ang cost niya talaga is 300. Pero, yung treatment niya ng galvanic, the same galvanic that we have, she's costing it ng mga 5,600. Actually, with her kasi, iba naman kasi talaga yung clients niya. Parang sila talaga yung gusto talaga nila that someone does it for them. Talagang gusto nilang may ganon. Tapos, basically what you're paying there is yung service, plus yung ambiance, yung ganon. But if you want to use galvanic, ng sarili mo lang talaga, the cost lang talaga is about 300 pesos. Radio frequency naman, yung mga cellulite, mga stretch marks. Tapos meron pa kayo, kunwari pag pumapayat, yung sobrang ayaw mo wala ng mga stretch marks din. Pati sa mga galvanic, all those things din. Actually, hindi siya 630. Kasi the gel, it cost mga 1,830. But I can use it for mga 1 month, 2 months, sometimes, depending on how you use the gel talaga. Pero, nakakatuwa kasi you will really see yung stretch marks. Kanina, you didn't see it, no? Kasi parang yung stretch marks, yung kanina nga, or picture, parang after 20 minutes, it's firmer na. Tapos after 1 year, hindi na-noticeable yung sa talaga. So, treatments, I understand outside parang 7,000 per session, pero it's gonna take you sometimes sobrang tagal talaga, and sometimes hindi talaga fully na i-erase yung stretch marks. Blue light treatments, mesolymph injection, etc. Acne treatments din. If you have friends na may mga acne treatments, ang ginagawa nila, di ba, injection? Pero what happens is, if you stop with the injection, ang ginagawa kasi ng most acne treatments and outside, they just really suppress the pimple. So if you stop with the treatment,